Good day everyone. Now we are going to install the Ubuntu Linux to our desktop. So for now on, we are going to explain habang hinihintay natin mag-download yung Ubuntu desktop. So first, now we are going to install the Ubuntu Linux. So now, punta muna tayo dito sa VirtualBox. Search lang natin tong link na to. So mag-automatic na siya mapupunta dito. And then, pindutin na natin yung window host. So mag-automatic na siya mag-download. So bali na-download ko na siya kanina pa. And search naman natin to. Punta tayo sa ubuntu.com. Tapos yun, /download desktop /desktop. So, yung mag-automatic tayo mapupunta dito. Tapos pindutin lang natin to, download 24.091 LTS. So, mataas siya kasi abot siya ng 5.8 gigabytes. Bago natin siya i-set up habang nagdo-download pa naman tong Ubuntu, explain natin kung ano yung definition ng system administrations. For me po, ang system administration is involved managing and maintaining computer system and network within an organization. This role includes ang pag-install at pag-config ng software and hardware. Kasama rin dito yung managing servers and ensuring the security of efficiency of the IT infrastructure and monitoring system performance, troubleshooting issues that arise. And kabilang din sa kanilang tungkulin ang pamamahala ng mga user account, pang-backup at pag-restore ng data at pag-apply ng mga updates para mapanatiling up-to-date ang mga system. So, second is, what is system maintenance? For me, system maintenance refers to the ongoing process of keeping a computer system or network in good working condition. This includes variety of tasks aimed to ensuring the system and reliability, security, and efficiency. And system maintenance is crucial for ensuring that system runs smoothly, remain secure, and continue to meet the needs of organization. So, yun nga. Yung last question is, what are the benefits of Ubuntu? I-download na natin yung buong Ubuntu Linux at na-set up na rin natin siya. So, ano bang ibig sabihin na or yung benefits, what is the benefits of Ubuntu Linux operating system and system administrations and maintenance. So, for me, madami naman siyang benefits. So, first is open source and free. So, yung Ubuntu Linux is free to use. We reduce we reduce the cost of software license as an open sources platform. It allows user to distribute the software according to their needs. And second is ist- stability and reliability. Long-term support LTS Ubuntu offers LTS version that are supported for our 5 years with regular updates, proving the states of environment, ideas for servers and critical system. And the third is security. Ubuntu Linux is built-in security features. Ubuntu include robust security features such as App Armor, which provides mandatory access control and frequency security patches to protect gains and vulnerabilities. So the last is user perform permissions. Ubuntu's structure limits access to critical system files, reducing the risk of accidental or malicious damage. Thank you for watching.